In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Confluence. This handy guide will make your experience with Confluence not only more personalized but also much more understandable if English isn't your first language or if you simply prefer using another language. First things first, whenever you're ready to begin, you'll need to be signed into your Confluence account. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the space you're currently working on or the one you'd like to adjust settings for. Now, it's important to note that this is your starting point because the language setting is tied to your personal preferences rather than a specific space within Confluence. So, even if you're switching workspaces, the language preference will remain consistent across your account. Now, with your workspace chosen, take a moment to glance towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll discover your profile photo. Although it may seem like a small icon, it's actually your gateway to a range of personal settings and adjustments you can make within Confluence. Clicking on your profile photo is where this journey begins. As you click on that profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the various options listed, you'll want to look for something labeled as Personal Settings. Clicking on this will lead you into the heart of your Confluence account settings, a space where you can personalize aspects of your account to suit your needs. Here, your focus will be on the account preferences. It might seem a bit tucked away among the other options, but don't worry, it's just a click away. Once located, click on Account Preferences, which should sit right under the Language section. This is where Confluence offers you the ability to tweak your language settings among other customization options. After clicking on Account Preferences, you'll find yourself on a new page. It's here that you'll discover the language setting, nestled among several other preferences that you can tailor. Look for a drop-down menu specifically for language options. When you click on it, you'll be presented with a list of languages that Confluence supports. You might need to scroll a bit to find the one you're comfortable with, as the list can be quite extensive depending on the number of languages available. Once you've selected your desired language from the drop-down, you're essentially done. However, keep in mind that changes might not take effect immediately across all Confluence pages. A quick refresh of your browser or even a re-login can help in fully applying the changes across the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully altered the language in Confluence to better suit your preferences. This simple change can greatly enhance your user experience, making it easier for you to navigate, understand, and use Confluence more effectively in your preferred language. Remember, you can always revert to the previous language or choose a different one later by following the same steps if your preferences or requirements change. Thank you for taking the time to follow along with this guide. I hope it has been helpful. Happy collaborating in Confluence, now in the language that works best for you.